Hey there, Meg Miller here, and we are going to be discussing how to set up your email address, which will be associated with your domain name. So your domain name and your web address and your email address will be associated with one another. So it really is great to brand yourself. It helps build congruency in your brand. It all works together that way, and it makes sense to people who are trying to find you. So there's a lot of benefits to having your own email address associated with your domain name. So let's just quickly set one of those up for you, and that way you can start setting yourself apart.
So go ahead and pause this video, open a new browser tab, and go ahead and log in. Then come back and hit play on this video again. Let's look at the email setup tool. Now you can use a Gmail, of course, and you probably used a Gmail or a free email, some kind of Yahoo, something that's an internet-based email account, and that's fine. If you're wanting to really legitimize your business, if you're wanting to really look professional, you're going to want to create an email that matches your domain. So since my domain is omdev.net, I have a few email accounts here. I believe it's unlimited with this hosting package, so that's always nice. So I already have most of them that I would make, but let's see. I will make one that says Meg's blog at omdev.net. So yours will be associated with your domain name. So it will basically be at your business name .com or .net, whatever you purchased. So isn't that awesome? You're going to have your own branded email now. All right, so go ahead and fill that in, enter your password, confirm your password, make sure that they match, and then hit create account. Okay, so once you're done with that, let's see, I'm just going to go ahead and do a simple, just to show you what happens when you're done. And then you create the account. Okay, account created. It's Meg's blog at omdev.net. And then if you're using Outlook, or I use Thunderbird, which is similar, then it's an auto setup, so it's really simple. You would just open your email client and just add a new email account. We'll just do that real quick. Let's see, go to new, and you would select existing mail account, and then you would just enter your first name, the email address that you just created, and the password, and hit continue, and it's going to find all of the information that it needs, and it's going to set you up automatically. If you're not using one of those, then you can always access webmail through the cPanel by going down to your emails and going to secure webmail login. You can check the webmail for any account by doing this with your full username, and you can read the information here. So that is how you do an email. So congratulations, you now have this done. Now, along the lines of a free email account, I said you can use Yahoo or Gmail for your primary contact. However, if you're trying to brand yourself, or if you already own a business, you want to be consistent, congruent with that business idea. So again, that doesn't mean you can't use the free services, but this email is going to set you apart from those who are using a free email account. It shows that you're investing in your business, and people actually notice these things whether they realize it or not. So this is just a tip that I've picked up from some serious earners over the years.
Okay, so now that you have set up your email address, we are going to be moving on to the next video, which is how to install your WordPress on your website. So this is where we start getting into the fun stuff. So I really look forward to seeing you on the next video. Aloha!